In this video, we are going to see how we can install Snapchat on an iPhone. It's a very simple and straightforward process here, guys. All we have to do is just head over to the App Store, which you will find as an icon right here. But if you don't find it for some reason, you will start swiping towards right until you see the app library. And from here, you can search for it. But I'll just write it here, App Store, click on it to open it. Now you will find the search box down here at the bottom in an iPhone. Click on that, and from here we simply write Snapchat. And next to Snapchat, you will get this get button on the right. You click on it once, and it might ask you for the verification, whether with a password or a face scan. You just quickly do it. And from here, you will click on open. Now you have the option to continue logging in, or you can continue with your Google account if you have one. Now you will just mention our email that's right here. Click next. We fill the password, and it will ask for the verification. We can get a verification code on our number. I'll quickly mention the authenticator code that we got for a temporary period of time. Click on continue. And now we can allow the notifications. You can enter your birthday. Click on agree and continue. Click on continue, or you can change your username. I'll just change it to Upskill-Edu. Click on continue. You can set a password for it. Click on save password. We can add the number later on. Find all friends. Click on continue. Click on skip. Click on allow. And there we are on Snapchat. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.